Welcome to Seacoast Real Estate Academy. Today in our math tutorial series, we will review the annual property tax timeline and how to find the number of days a buyer or seller is responsible for at settlement. For your exam, utilize the 360 days in a year, 30 days per month rule. Here's the tax timeline. Taxes attach to a property and become a lien on January 1st of the current year. Taxes are not due until September 1st. Real property taxes cannot be paid until September 1st. The owner of a real property has until January 5th of the following year to pay their real property taxes without any penalty or interest. In North Carolina, the seller usually pays through the day of closing for property taxes. Let's do a question together. A home is closing on May 14th, and taxes will be prorated by the closing attorney, reflecting a 360-day year. How many days will the seller be responsible for? How many will the buyer be responsible for? The seller is responsible for January 1st through May 14th. With 360 days in a year and 30 days per month, the seller will need to pay for 134 days of taxes. The buyer is responsible for the remaining days, which is 226 days. You can double-check the total by adding these groups of days together. The seller's 134 days plus the buyer's 226 days equals 360 days. If you like this video, feel free to share it with a friend. For more real estate education content, please subscribe to the channel. From all of us at Seacoast Real Estate Academy, thank you for watching.